What's going on, guys? Crypto enthusiast here, back with a new video. Today there's a small announcement. Hashflare cloud mining contracts are back in stock. So they just sent out an email that they are excited that tonight, which is 30th of April, that they will be resuming sales of SHA-256, which is Bitcoin, SCRYPT, which is a Litecoin, Ethereum and Equihash contracts at amazing prices. Then obviously the hash rate is limited. So as I was going through, they apparently updated their prices on the website and their new contracts are up for sale. The Litecoin contract is $1.8 for 1 mega hash. Bitcoin, which SHA-256, is for 80 cents per 10 gigahash. Ethereum is $1.8 per 100 kilo hash. Apparently the other two are not available for sale right now. So as you can see that I can again purchase stocks if I wanted to. The slider is available for me to buy. So in this video I'll probably buy a contract and just gonna compare all the contracts as quickly as possible. We'll start off with the Bitcoin mining. So it currently is 80 cents per 10 gigahash. So you get 1000 gigahashes at around $80. Multiplied that by 100,000 gigahashes. Power watt is 0, power cost is 0, and pool fees is apparently high. We're just gonna take a really high number at 60%. We're just gonna hit calculate, and what we get is the days to break even is 341 days, which is a lot, and apparently you need at least 0.03 bitcoins to withdraw. As you can go ahead and see, the minimum is 0.03 bitcoins, which is a lot. So 341 days is high. I mean, only if the Bitcoin price were to go up and the pool fees were like say 40% or something, then only you can get a good break-even point of 227 days. Obviously this can become better if the Bitcoin price goes up. Probably will be lesser in maintenance fees and we're gonna get better returns on our investment, but that's the situation as of now. Then we have Litecoin mining, which is available at $1.8 for 1 mega hash with another maintenance fee applied. So 1 mega hash is 1000 kilo hashes. 0 power wattage, 0 cost, the block reward and pool fees around 30%. I basically divided the price upon the price of the contract, but the price of Bitcoin also varies, so that's gonna make it difficult. And if you hit calculate, $1.8, it's 278 days versus 227 days if the pool fees were lower. That's out again. And finally we have Ethereum mining, $1.8 for 100 kilo hash. So if you basically get 1 mega hash, 0 power consumption, 0 power cost, 0 pool fees, which is the best part about Ethereum mining, that there is no maintenance fee involved, and the cost would be $18. And if you hit calculate, the days to break even is 321 days, which is really high. And again, you need probably 0.1 Ethereum to withdraw, and the difficulty might increase, so that's not helping you either. So as we stand, again, SHA-256 is probably the best contract you can buy probably, and hope that the Bitcoin price goes up and then you can be more profitable and reinvest more and more. Currently, here are the situation as it stands. I have a really small balance and I have 3.31 terahashes of mining. I am planning to buy SHA-256 more, and I'm gonna be investing. Yeah, I can invest and buy 30 gigahashes worth of hash power. I'm gonna hit select payment method, pay from balance, confirm, hit confirm, and wait for them to just allocate more. Yeah, and we have 3.34 terahashes of mining power with us. So that was about buying the contract that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you want to check out Hashflare, the link is in the description. Do subscribe to the channel and like this video for more stuff, and we'll see how this goes from here. I'll see you guys next time.
I just wanna